The significance of ordinary activity for in general health and fitness. Various sorts of exercises, for example, cardio, strength preparing, and yoga, and their advantages. Instructions to define and accomplish wellness objectives. Ways to remain persuaded and steady with your wellness schedule. The advantages of getting sufficient rest and how to further develop your rest quality. The significance of stress, the executives and unwinding methods. The most effective method to incorporate sound propensities and integrate them into your everyday daily practice. The effective innovation and virtual entertainment on wellness and well-being. The most effective method to keep a solid way of life while voyaging or an extended getaway.